Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Teams to create planner buckets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Teams application. Sign in with your organizational account if prompted. Navigate to the team where you want to use Planner. Click on the Apps icon in the bottom left corner. In the Apps menu, search for Planner using the search bar. Select the Planner app from the search results. Once in Planner, click on Add New Plan to create a new plan. Enter a name for your plan and choose a privacy setting. Click Create Plan to finalize the setup. Return to your Teams channel where you want the Planner tab. Click on the plus icon at the top of the channel to add a new tab. From the list of apps, select Planner. Choose the plan you just created from the drop-down menu. Click Save to add the Planner tab to your channel. Now, click on the Planner tab to open it. Select Add New Bucket to create a new bucket for tasks. Name your bucket and press Enter to save it. You can now start adding tasks to your new bucket. Repeat the process to create additional buckets as needed. Make sure all necessary permissions are granted within your organization. Check with your IT department if issues arise with authorization. Now you're all set to use Microsoft Teams with Planner effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.